Hello student, today I am going to teach class 4 subject computer chapter 5 that is primitives of MSW law. So student, you have learned about MSW law in grade 3. So before learning more primitive and operation, that is first we call the MSW law is and the basic primitive of MSW. So let us start. First one is introduction to MSW law. That the MSW log stands for Microsoft Windows Logic Oriented Graphic Oriented. It is a simple programming language. It is used for drawing images. Apart from drawing the images, we can also use MSW log for doing calculation and for printing text. Starting of MSW log. The steps for starting MSW log are as follows. First, click Start button. Then click All Program. From All Program, click MSW log. From MSW log, click MSW log. Again, MSW log. Then the MSW log will be opened. The next screen appear on the monitor. Click the OK button to start MS log. The following screen appeared. After clicking the MSW log, the screen will be appear like this. This is the main screen. This is the commander window. This is the commander window input box. This is a command button. This is a turtle and recall list box. So next is, this is the MS log interface. It has two windows, main screen windows and commander windows. Let's start the main screen windows. The top window, large white area, is called main screen window. It holds small shape of triangle called turtle. The turtle moves according to our instruction to draw image in the main screen window. This is the main screen window and this is the turtle. With the help of turtle, move the according our instruction to draw a picture. Let's study about the turtle. By default, turtle is placed in the center of the window, which is called turtle's home. First pointed top of the turtle is called turtle head. Second, the bottom area of turtle is called the turtle tail. Here the top bottom point up is called the turtle head and this one is turtle tail. Next, commander window. The bottom window gray area is called commander window. The commander windows is the commander input box, recall list box and command button. In the command input box, we enter the command and to move the turtle. The recall list box holds all the execute commands. The command button are placed at the right corner of the commander window. Here is the commander window. In commander window, we have commander input box, commander buttons and recall list box. The next is the various command buttons are as listed below. The command buttons and their description. Execute. To execute the instruction or command that we write in the command input box. Status. To view current setting in MS log. No status. To close the status window. Trace. To find the error in the program. Reset. To erase all the drawing and send the turtle to its home. Basic primitive of MSW log. In MSW log, we write primitive in the command input box and press the execute button or enter key like this shape. To make them work, the basic primitive of MSW log are as listed below. Primitives, description and example. Forward FD. This moves the turtle forward in turtle head direction by the given number of steps. That is FD 50 enter. The next is back, that is BK. This moves the turtle back in turtle tail this direction by the given number of steps. That is BK 90, enter. Right RT, the turns to the turtle clockwise right by the given number of angle. That is back 90, enter. Right 45, enter. Left, that is RT. This turns the turtle anti-clockwise by the given number of angle. That is FD 90, enter. LT 70, enter. Like this, the turtle will be appear. Home. This sends the turtle to its home means in the center of the screen. Home, enter. Clear screen, that is CS. The CS primitive clear the mean screen and bring the turtle back to its home center of the screen. By this primitive brings you out of the MSW log window. When we write primitives command one after another, this set of primitive is known as program. The next is more primitive of MSW log. Student, you have learned the basic primitive of MSW log. Now let us know some more primitive of MSW log to perform promotion. Operation. Pan out, that is PU. The pan up primitive lifts the turtle pans up. This primitive is helpful if you want to move the turtle without drawing any lines. For example, PU lifts up the turtle pan. FD 60 moves the turtle forward 60 steps in its head direction, but turtle will not draw any lines. Here the turtle, here you have to give a command, that is PU FD 60. Student, as I have completed the half chapter, in next class we will continue with the chapter. So thank you, student.